What is up, my friends? It's Edward Tomilloso here, your Honda Man Internet Sales Manager here at Honda of Santa Maria. And I got Luis Leonardes here. He is one of our senior sales consultants. That's right, brush it off. And what are we going to show him today?
Today we're going to show you guys this beautiful 2018 Honda CR-V EX. Now just keep in mind, this is not just any regular EX. This is a highly customized EX CR-V. Check it out. Follow me this way. Come check this beautiful thing out. So first of all, congratulations to our very good customer of ours, Guillermo. Goes by the name of Memo. But I am super excited to show you guys this, again, this 2018 Honda CR-V EX. So starting off from the front, what he did is he went ahead and did a customized sport bumper. So as you guys can see, most of the CR-Vs, they come with this lower part. It's all going to be all black around it. But with this sport bumper, it's fully color coded to match the paint of the car, which looks absolutely beautiful. And then it adds this sort of lower bumper down here, this lower trim, which in my opinion looks absolutely stunning. Coming around around this area, I'm going to show you guys, he did a few things. He did this CR-V emblem around. In my opinion, I think it looks great. This is directly from Honda, so obviously Honda does a great job with the accessories. If you look on top, thank you to our guy that does our window tint. His name is Junior from Central Cool Tint. If you guys ever need any tinting, he's a great guy. He did this beautiful black top. Customer went ahead and did the roof rails, crossbars, and then keep this in mind. Come back here. This antenna back here, this is for the satellite radio, the XM. You can't wrap that. However, we went ahead and we ordered a black one from, as if the car was a black CR-V, to give it a little more flair, I guess, or more color. Coming in the back, we have also the sport bumper. Check it out, guys. Now, last thing, and I think this is the best part out of the car, because this is what makes the CR-V a lot different than other ones. Check it out, two-tone. Woo-hoo! What do you guys know about that? Absolutely beautiful.
All right, guys, so that was the CR-V. That was originally a CR-V EX model with leather added and a ton of accessories. And let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll catch you guys later.